Making money on Amazon is only hard if you don't know which product to sell. Luckily, in this video, I'm literally going to hand you a product that has high demand, meaning a lot of people want it, they're buying it, but more importantly, it has low competition, meaning it's not saturated, and you can come in and start selling the same or a similar product and start making money today. So if you're new here, my name is Mike Costanzo, and I've made over $2.5 million selling my own private label products on Amazon. And in this video, we're gonna walk through the entire process of finding a product, sourcing it, and finding out how much profit we're actually going to put into our pocket after every sale. So what is the product? The product is a kid's tumbler, okay? So if I pop open Jungle Scout, it's going to show, like I said before, the opportunity score is there. There's a lot of money to be made, but let's see how much money there actually is to be made. So if we could see right here, the monthly revenue of some of these products, $165,000, $4,100, $365,000, okay? 206,000, 21,000, 633,000, right? There's a lot of money to be made in this market, and not a lot of people are already selling in it, so it's perfect. And I know these are big numbers, but just stick with me because you can still tap into this, make 10, 20, 30, $40,000 a month selling products just like this. So the product listing that we're gonna look at is this one. Simple, modern, kids 24-ounce tumbler with handle and silicone straw lid, okay? So let's go ahead and find a product just like this and start selling it, start sourcing it and making money with it. So if we go over to Alibaba, if you're not familiar with Alibaba, it is a website where we can be in contact with suppliers and manufacturers to create our own products that we can eventually turn and sell onto Amazon. So all I'm gonna literally do is just search kids tumbler 24 ounce. Okay, it's important to keep in mind, we want to stick with almost a similar product, right? 24 ounces. We don't want to go bigger or smaller because we know this listing is already making 360 grand a month. So let's stick with what's working. Now, before you scroll down on Alibaba and start picking products, I want you to do me a favor. Scroll down to the bottom left and where it says verified supplier, click that. The last thing I want you to do is send 10 grand to a manufacturer and them to ghost you and never talk to you again, or send money to a supplier that's not verified on Alibaba and your products come back to you and it's not what you want. I've heard stories like that happen time and time again. So protect yourself, make sure they are a verified supplier. This makes Alibaba actually makes sure that these are vetted suppliers. They are the real deal. So now we can scroll down and start looking for that product that we want to sell. And we can see right here, stainless steel tumbler, kids 24 ounce, and the price itself. So let's pop open this listing. We can see the prices range from $4 on the high end to $2.99 on the low end, depending on how many units you're ordering, okay? So that's really important to understand. You need to know how many you're ordering. Now, with these products, what we are doing is something called private labeling. This is putting your own brand on a product and that you can only sell on Amazon, okay? Just like right here, this brand is called Simple Modern, okay? So we wanna put a brand on it, but we wanna make sure that our supplier can actually customize this. So as you can scroll down, you can see customization, and they do allow customization. They will put a logo on for you, all right? But they have a minimum order of 100 pieces, which is very typical, all right? That's actually on the lower end a little bit. So how much money can we actually make selling this product? So if I pull out my handy dandy calculator, let's just say we're ordering 500 to 10,000 pieces. Let's just say we're ordering 500 pieces and our price is $3.80 per unit. Now that is not your only cost with this business. There's shipping, there's tariffs, right? There's other unexpected expenses that come with this business. So for the sake of it, just to be safe, let's double the price, right? $3.80 times 2 gives us a total landed cost of $7.60. But we can't stop there. There's more money, more expenses to this business, and that is Amazon. We have to pay Amazon to sell these products, right? So how do we figure out exactly the percentage of the profit that we're gonna make and how much exactly to the penny that we're gonna profit? So if we go over to Amazon FBA calculator, you can get to this page by literally just Googling Amazon FBA calculator, and we're gonna wanna go ahead and grab something called the ASIN, ASIN. So if you see it right here, this is the ASIN, and you can even grab it on the listing itself. This is just a unique identifier. Where is it? Somewhere up here. Oh, right here. It is a unique identifier to this listing. It's like a UPC code pretty much. So we're going to paste that into Amazon's FBA calculator. It's going to pull up the listing, right? Because we're going to sell a similar product to this. So we already know the size, the weight that we're going to have for this product. So we want to now figure out how much we're going to spend, how much we're going to pay Amazon to sell this. So as you can see right here, there is two sections, Amazon fulfillment and your fulfillment. We want to stick with Amazon fulfillment. This means that Amazon, we're going to ship the products to Amazon and they're going to pick it, they're going to pack it, and they're going to ship it. They're going to handle all the returns. They're going to handle all the customer service for you, as opposed to your fulfillment, which is going to be cheaper, but you have to ship it out of your garage. You have to deal with all the postage, the UPS and the post office and returns and customer service. It's not worth it, in my opinion. You still can make money with your fulfillment, but Amazon fulfillment and FBA, this is going to be a much more hands-off approach to running this type of business. Okay, so as we can see, the item price automatically fills in as $24.99. That's what we could sell it for. Then there's Amazon's fees, right? Then there's the fulfillment cost. This is how much we pay Amazon to pick, pack, and ship it. Then there's storage cost to keep it in their storage facility. Then there's an inbounding cost of 49 cents. This is how much money we're going to spend per unit to send it into Amazon's warehouse. And then there is the cost of goods, right? So we said $7.60, and then other miscellaneous costs if you want. All right, so we scroll down and we have a net profit of $6.53 per unit sold, or 26.15% net profit margin. That is a healthy profit margin. It allows for a lot of money to be made, especially if you're selling 425 units a day and you're making $6.53 profit a day. That's times 425. That's $2,775 per day. That is that's a $1 million profit per year business profit. Huge margins, huge money to be made. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you got a lot out of it. If you did, make sure to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and check out my other videos. If you did like this video, also let me know in the comments below if you want me to make more of them for you. So I'll see you then. Take care.